Hello friends, welcome back to my channel with another video on PC. If you already extended the RAM but you still cannot use that RAM, for example, I just click my computer or this PC, right click and then click the properties. Now as you can see here, I already installed the 12 GB RAM, but I can use only 3.42 GB. So how you can solve like this problem if you are facing like this problem? I will show you the two methods. You try first the first method. If you still cannot, you try another method. So what we need to do, the first method is type the Windows R. So we run the command and then we type there msconfig, and then click OK. Now here you can see the system configuration and then you click the top boot and then click the advanced options. Now here you see the maximum memory is already checked. So you uncheck this box and then click OK, apply, OK, and then restart your PC. Still haven't solved your problem, you have to try the second method. Second method is type in the search bar registry editor. You click the registry editor and then run as administrator and then click yes. So once we click yes, I will give you the one address bar in my description box. You just paste there. I keep this in the description box and then type here in the search bar that and then hit enter. Once you hit enter, you can see here the memory management. Click that one and then the top one, clean page file 8 shutdown. So you click that one and then right click on modify. Once you click modify, here you can see the default value is 0. So you have to change to 1 and then click OK. And then after that, you again have to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check now if you click the right click on this PC or my PC or my computer and then click the properties. Now you can see I already 12 GB RAM installed and then I get the usable RAM is 11.9 GB is usable. So you can get the fully access on your RAM you installed on your PC. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new tips, new tricks. Thank you.